Here is a Tozai fan, or TO7i, whatever it is. Very small fan. It's about 3.5 inches across. Looks like it was never used. It's very clean. Cord is still wrapped up very nicely. Here's the informations. "3-inch personal fan" is what they're calling it. I don't see a date code on there. Unfortunately, it was made in China, so it has a small C-frame shaded pole motor in there. It's new enough to have a polarized plug, so it's probably a product of the 90s. And it's got one of these inline switches. Ying Long branded. So let's plug this thing in and see if it works. The bearings seem kind of stiff. I'm not sure if it's going to work or not. Yeah, it's not working. I'm going to get the kilowatt meter out so we can see if it's drawing any power. I tend to think it's probably locked up, but this will confirm it very easily. Well, perhaps not so easily because I can't get the plug to fit in. Yeah, it's drawing some power, but not very much. Huh. Okay. It's rated for 16 watts. The draw in a locked state should certainly be a lot more than that. Oh yeah, that's really stiff. I don't think that's gonna work. I can feel it vibrating. It's definitely trying to go, but it's just not going to, with the bearings being that stiff. So that will have to conclude this video, because this cannot be tested until it is serviced, and I'm not going to service it during this video. We'll service it in another video. Thank you for watching.